Hello, friends and enthusiasts. In today's video, or rather, it's a series, I'm starting a new series, and maintain technical competency with the new technology in electronics. So, this is the main topic on which we'll be discussing and maintain technical competency you should be having in today's world of electronics. That is the competency with the new technologies, we call it as in electronics. So today we will be discussing one topic that is a fifth generation technology, right? Okay, we will study and discuss about this technology. Why? Because it's a very important subject of telecommunication and networking, and especially the digital networking. Okay, you should be having in today's world of electronics. That is the competency with the new. First of all, you should know what is 5G actually. So when you see only it will be written 5G, it's a fifth generation. Like we used to have a generation before, it started from 1G. That is the first generation. Now we are into fifth generation. Probably other countries, they are more in the generation, maybe sixth, seventh generation also. Right. Okay. So you need to understand what is 5G. Okay. Right. Now we'll go to the next slide and we will study before 5G technology, what was there, and with the 5G technology. So we will not discuss before part more, but we will discuss more of the 5G technology, which is currently going on. It's a networking efficiency and traffic to support all spectrum types, bands, and deployment models. 5G guarantees high speed that will significantly impact every industry. This is very important because our job is, if you are working for the industry, you compulsory need to know. If you are in engineering grade, you compulsory need to study about 5G, how it is impacting the your industry. Okay, right. Okay. So this is important for us when this generation of this thing started, networking started. The first generation started in 1980. Second generation started in 1990 with the GSM, GPRS, and edge enhancement. That means the GSM was born in the second generation. That is, we call it as a 2G. Even GPRS and edge technology came in existence in that period mostly. Then came 2000, the year 2000, where we got 3G, faster communication. Why we are going from 2G, 1G to 2G to 2G to 5? Communication speed should be more, right? Allowed faster communication, web browsing, and video streaming in smartphones. That means when the third generation came, then only we have got the smartphones, right? Because smartphone requires, because video streaming and all these things, you can do it in 3G only. So it came in 2000. Now then we shifted to 4G, that is approximate year is 2010, greatly impacted the requirements set by IMT advanced standard. That means we shifted from 3G to 4G with a more advanced standard of in your equipment. The data speed was a little high and everything was high. Then we shifted to 5G significantly. That is the current time. Okay, in India and other smaller countries, in Asian countries, we are into 5G. Of course, some other Asian countries, they are more ahead of 5G also. Okay, so significant faster speed with lower requirement to support IoT device. So please remember, those students who are studying IoT, they should study fifth generation, okay, technology. So that is why it becomes important for us. Why? Because IoT works on the same. Okay. The benefits of 5G technology. What are the benefits of 5G technology? So no network issue. Like previously, I don't know whether you remember or not, when we used to have a small phone, second generation phones, we used to get the call cut. That is the network. We never used to get the network, and we used to while talking on the phone with somebody else, the calls we used to get cut. So that problem has been solved due to 5G technology. Why? Because the bandwidth is more. Low latency, that is when an IoT device safety and functionalities are there, that is allowing real-time viewing and guarantee zero lag of operation. What we need in IoT? We need that our all data which is going from one place, one cloud to another, it should be perfect and on time. So that is where the 5G helps IoT very much. Greater data capacity, the third point. 5G can support more devices. It can support more devices. The number of device connection will be more. Transfer because of its large spectrum band. That means, how you will understand this? You will understand like there is a small road, a 20 feet road, where the traffic movement is from both the side. That is only one vehicle on one side you cannot overtake. Why? Because there are two tracks. So one is for going and one is for coming. Now imagine a highway where you have 5 tracks on one side and five for going and 5 for coming. So that is the difference between the 1G, 2G and 5G. The roads have become broad, number of traffic is more flow of vehicles on that road, and speed is also high. Okay, so this benefit of for business, this is very, very important. One drawback I just want to tell you about this thing. Please remember, after the 5G has come into existence in mobile technology, the battery draining is more. You must have, everybody of us, you must have observed it, that the battery drains very fast. When we never used to have the 5G, that means in the 2G time, we used to run our mobile phone, or we used to charge our mobile phone after 2 days. But now we cannot wait till 2 days. Either we have to do it in 12 hours, maybe 15 hours, or maybe maximum 24 hours. We have to charge it. Why? Because our usage has become more. That is all. That is the main drawback of 5G. But please remember, when the 5G has come, naturally the mobile phone batteries have also improved. That is, the mAh rating, milliamps per hour rating, has also increased. Previously, they used to be very low, 1000, 2000 milliamps. Now we are getting battery up to 10,000 milliamps also. So please remember that also. Okay, now we will, I will tell you one more thing. Cloud technology, compulsory we use 5G, right? Allow telecom to operate with more efficiency, right? Where we use clouds nowadays, everywhere, all the business, all related to electronics and communication, we use cloud technology, right? The IoT, again, I'm telling you, for the Internet of Things, a technology that helps ensure minimal downtime to data center. I told you, we want accurate and correct time data. And basic base station, the telecom industry will continue to develop its service to improve IoT technology. So that is why for IoT, the 5th generation technology is very, very important. Of course, it is also important for the software development. That is not our subject. We are discussing about only our subject. Sir Arthur C. Clarke has said at one time, any sufficiently advanced technology is equivalent to a magic. Right? I hope you understood this small part of what I have told you. I will show you a small video, which is one and a half minute video on this particular topic. That is, what is 5G in telecommunication. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel and please let me know what is your requirement, what exactly you want, what topics you want to learn. I'll make video accordingly on that particular topic.
All right, so let's talk about something you've probably heard everywhere. 5G. It's that flashy 5th generation label on your phone. But what does it actually mean? Let me break it down for you. 5G is the latest generation of wireless technology for mobile phones. Think of it as the upgrade from 4G, but not just a little faster. It's a total game changer. We're talking way more speed, way less lag, and the ability for way more devices to connect at the same time. But it's not just about faster downloads. With 5G, streaming high-res videos, gaming in real time, and even video calls, everything feels smoother and more instant. Imagine downloading a whole movie in a few seconds. That's 5G doing its thing. And here's what's wild. 5G isn't just for phones. This tech is unlocking a world where smart cars, smart homes, and even smart cities can all talk to each other super efficiently. Think self-driving cars reacting in real time or remote surgeries happening with zero delay. Of course, all this magic needs new infrastructure, tiny antennas everywhere, new chips inside your phone. But that's the price for a network that can handle just about anything the future throws at us. So the 5th generation isn't just a buzzword. It's the backbone for the next wave of tech, from AR glasses to connected devices we haven't even dreamed up yet. And it's already here, rolling out in cities all over the globe. So next time you see that little 5G symbol on your phone, remember, you're holding a piece of the future right in your hand.